Secretary Sahib Talim.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Those students graciously approved by Hazrat Amir al-Mumineen for awards start with the GCSE candidates. If I could humbly request Beloved Hazur to present the award. We start with Mansoor bin Ahmed, High Wycombe, 9 A stars, 2 A's at GCSE level. Mansoor Dari, Fazal Mosque, 6 A stars, 4 A's with additional A in GCSE FSMQ additional maths. Talha Ahmed, Batul Fatu South, 10 A stars and 1 A at GCSE level and A grade in additional maths. Mirza Rizwan Ahmed, Fazal Mosque, 9 A stars, 2 A's at GCSE level. Haris Ahmed, Batul Fatu South, 7 A stars and 5 A's at GCSE level with an A in additional maths. Rashid Mubashir Talha, Jamia, 10 A stars at GCSE level with an A grade in additional maths. Hamad Mushtaq Butt, West Croydon, 7 A stars and 3 A's at GCSE level. Mirza Labib Ahmed, Deer Park, 7 A stars and 4 A's at GCSE level. Sayyid Abdul Bari Rizvi, Leeds, 7 A stars and 4 A's at GCSE level. Zakaur Rahman Rana, Slough, 6 A stars and 5 A's at GCSE level. Haris Ahmed Mitchum, 7 A stars and 5 A's at GCSE level. Ahsan Ahmed, Hounslow South, 7 A stars and 4 A's at GCSE level. Maz Majoka Surbiton, 10 A stars and 1 A at GCSE level. Barakallahu lakum. Talha Ahmed Majid, Tooting Bec, 7 A stars and 5 A's at GCSE level. Daniel Sohail, Thornton Heath, 8 A stars and 4 A's at GCSE level. Sayyid Yusuf Ahmed, Scunthorpe, 9 A stars and 1 A and an A grade in additional maths at GCSE level. Amar Ahmed Chaudhry, Scunthorpe, 9 A stars and 2 A's at GCSE level with an additional A grade in additional maths. Samar Ahmed Southmead, 8 A stars and 3 A's at GCSE level with an A in additional maths. Furqan Khalid, Greenford, 8 A stars and 4 A's at GCSE level. Adam Ansar Khan, Birmingham Central, 7 A stars and 3 A's at GCSE level. Roshan Bajwa, Fazal Mosque, 6 A stars and 4 A's at GCSE level. Atar Ahmed Mirza, Walsall, 6 A stars and 4 A's at GCSE level, and a B in additional maths. Hamza Masroor Malik, Birmingham South, 7 A stars and 2 A's at GCSE level. And the final student, Mahid Khan, New Malden, 8 A stars and 3 A's at GCSE level. Next we have the A levels, Shamir Merani Baloch, Thornton Heath, 1 A star and 2 A's at A level and 1 A at AS level. Daniel Chaudhry, Aldershot, 4 A stars at A level and 1 A at AS level. Faiz Ahmed Chuktai, Birmingham South, 2 A stars and 1 A at A level. Fawad Ahmed, Aldershot, 2 A stars and 2 A's at A level. Zain Ahmed Kaloon, Newcastle, 3 A's at A level and 1 A at AS level. Rizwan Mohammed, Scunthorpe, 6 A stars at A level. Mubasil Chaudhry, Colchulton, 3 A stars at A level. Tehmoor Ahmed Khan Pasha, Fazl Mosque, 4 A's at A level. Haris Osman Mahmood Walsall, 2 A stars and 2 A's at A level. Adil Sohail Pirzada Khan, Battle Fatu, 4 A's at A level. Naveed Ahmed Mirza, Rains Park, 1 A star and 2 A's at A level. Sayyid Ismail Ahmed Scunthorpe, 3 A's at A level and 1 A at AS level. Danish Amin, Birmingham Central, 3 A's at A level and 1 A at AS level. Mohsin Zafar, Burntwood, 2 A stars and 2 A's at A level. Moving on to the degree candidates, Munib Dawood Hartlepool, Dr. Munib Dawood Hartlepool, PhD, Communications Engineering, De Montfort University. Shakir Ahmed South Morden, BSc Honours First Class in Economics, Finance, Banking, King's College London. Shazeb Ahmed Cheem, MBBS with distinction from Queen Mary College, University of London. Umair Khan Cardiff, BSc Honours First Class, Software Engineering, Cardiff University. Hassan Faraz, Cardiff, BEng Honours First Class, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Cardiff University. Ibtihaj Ahmed Nadeem, Worcester Park, BA Honours First Class, Computer Science, University of Cambridge. Usman Ahmed Khan Colchulton, MSc Distinction, Middle East and Global Politics, Islam, Conflict and Development, Birkbeck, University of London, and he was ranked top in his cohort. Fareed Ahmed Shirley, BSc Honours First Class, Biomedical Sciences, University of Surrey. Dr. Latif Ahmed Mubashir Scunthorpe, Fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons in Trauma and Orthopaedic Surgery by the Royal College of Surgeons, England. Mukeet Ahmed Malik, Hounslow South, BSc Honours First Class, Physics, University College London. Taha Ahmed Malik, Wimbledon, BSc Honours First Class Mathematics, Imperial College, recipient of the Ken Allen Prize for Achievement. Numan Tayyib, Bradford South, MSc Distinction, Information Technology Management, University of Bradford, top 2 in his cohort. Munas Ahmed Southmead, MEng Honours First Class, Electronic Engineering, University of Surrey. Ali Shahab Shirley, MSc with Distinction, Advanced Computer Sciences, University of St Andrews. Waqas Ahmed, Wandsworth Town, BSc Honours First Class, Business Information Technology, and top in his cohort. Muhammad Ahsan Khan Sutton, MA in Sustainable Design with Distinction, top in his cohort from Kingston University. Nail Safir Surbiton, BSc Honours First Class Medical Sciences with Management, Imperial College London. Mirza Zafir Mahmood Roehampton, MEng Honours First Class, Electrical Engineering, University of Surrey. Now the international candidate, Syed Mansoor Ahmed Norway, Bachelors in Creative Arts with Distinction, Deakin University, Australia. Omar Malik from Italy, MSc in Finance with Distinction, Bocconi University, Milan. Saad Abid Mia, USA, FSc 3rd position, Government College, Lahore. He's from Pakistan, now residing in USA. Atar Naveed Malik, USA, PhD in Neurobiology and Doctor of Medicine, MD from Harvard Medical School. Azaz Ahmed Wadaj, Finland, Masters in Information Technology, GPA 5 out of 5, specialization in Signal Processing, Tampere University of Technology. Dr. Noman Iftikhar, Ireland, Fellowship of the Royal College of Anesthesia, Ireland. Daniel Ahmed, Ireland, 9 A's, Irish Leaving Certificate. Dr. Amir Raja from Sweden, MBBS, University of Gothenburg. Amir Saeed Raja. Ghalib Ahmed Adnan, Sweden. Masters in Computer Science and Engineering, 86%. Zahir Ahmed from Sweden, Masters in Information Communication System Security, 97.5 from the Royal Institute of Technology, Stockholm. Namir Ahmed Chaudhry, Sweden, Upper Secondary School, 97%. Tassin Aslam, Sweden, PhD in Industrial Informatics from University of Khoweid, Sweden. Dr. Hamid Mahmood Sahib, Pakistan, BDS, second position, Khyber University, Peshawar. Farhan Saeed, Pakistan, 6 A stars and 3 A's at O level and distinction in accounting. Muhammad Abdullah, Pakistan, 3 A stars and 5 A's at O level and 2 A's and 1 A at A level. Tayyib Reza, Pakistan, MSc Computing with distinction, London Metropolitan University, top in his cohort. Falahuddin Bhatt, Pakistan, MBA, third position in marketing, Shah Abdul Latif University. Nasser Ahmed, Pakistan, BS, third position in telecommunication engineering from Comsats. Khalid Ahmed, Pakistan, PharmD, first position, Sarhad University, Peshawar. Mansoor Ahmed Zia Sahib Murabbi Silsila from Pakistan, now in the UK, FA, third position in Faisalabad. Dr. Dawood Ahmed from Pakistan, PhD in Agricultural Entomology, Bahauddin Zakaria University, Multan. Moizuddin Ahmed from Pakistan, Bachelor in Computer Systems Engineering, first position, Osman Institute of Technology, Karachi. Shanze Ahmed, represented by her father, Munawwar Wala Sahib, from Pakistan, 4 A's at A level. Bilal Malik, France, Masters in Engineering, Electronics and Embedded Systems from Paris. That concludes the prize ceremony. Jazakallah.